Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Spotify to TV. All right, let's begin. Connecting Spotify to your TV is useful because your TV speakers are usually louder and sound better than your phone. To start, make sure your TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is important for Spotify to detect your TV. Now, open the Spotify app on your phone and choose any song or playlist. Once the music player appears, look for the speaker or device icon on the screen. Tap on that icon to open the device list. If your TV does not appear right away, you may see a message asking you to check settings. Tap Go to Settings and make sure local network access is turned on for Spotify. This allows the app to find nearby devices. After enabling this option, go back to the Spotify player and tap the device icon again. Your TV should now appear in the list. Select your TV from the available devices. Once connected, press play and the audio will start playing through your TV speakers instead of your phone. You can control playback, volume, and track selection directly from your phone while the sound plays on your TV. So that's basically how you can connect Spotify to TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.